7, 8, and 9, kind of using that same theory, but I'm multiplying. So here, I'm going to take 4 times my F matrice, negative 6 times my G matrice, and then I'm going to add my answers together because I'm already distributing the negative when I multiply. So, if I take 4 times my first one, I'd have negative 12, 20, 16, 28, 28, and 24. If I take negative 6 times my G1, I'm going to have negative 42, negative 36, negative 6, positive 42, negative 12, and negative 18. Once I've multiplied the first matrix by 4, the second one times negative 6, then I'm going to go ahead and add. Again, my matrices have to be of the same size or it wouldn't work. I couldn't do the problem. Negative 12 plus negative 42 would be negative 54. 20 minus 36 is negative 16. 16 minus 6 is 10. 28 and 42 looks like 70. 28 minus 12 would be 16. And 24 minus 18 would be 6. So number 8, same kind of thing. I am going to take my D matrix times negative 5, my E matrix times a positive 4, going to then add my 2 answers together. So multiplying by negative 5, I get negative 25, negative 35, positive 30, and negative 5 times 1, negative 5. And taking my E1 times 4. 4 times negative 6 would be minus 24. 4 times 6 is positive 24. 4 times 2 is 8. And 4 times 0 is 0. Then I'm going to add the ones in the like spots. So, negative 25 plus a negative 24 would be negative 49. Negative 35 plus 24, so I'm going to subtract negative 11 is what I'm going to get. 30 plus 8, 38. And negative 5 plus 0, well, anything plus 0 isn't going to change the value, so negative 5 plus 0 is negative 5. One more of those for number 9. We're going to take 4 times our F matrix, negative 6 times our, that's supposed to be a G or a C. One says G and one says C, it looks like. We'll fix the typo before we continue on. Oh, it is a G on my screen, it just doesn't look right. There we go. Oh, that one's that one. That one's that one. Cleared that right up. Looking at the wrong one. Let's make that C. There we go. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to do it. Darn, huh? All right, so multiplying by 4. 4 times 5 is 20. And we get negative 12. Then we get 0, 0, 4, and 8 when we multiply each of those by 4. And we're going to do the next one. All of those are going to be multiplied by a negative 6. Negative 6 times negative 5. Negative 6 times 7, negative 6 times 1, negative 6 times 2, negative 6 times 7, negative 6 times 5. We're then going to add things in the like spots. So 20 plus 30 would be 50, negative 12 and a negative 42 would be negative 54. 0 plus negative 6, negative 6. 0 plus negative 12, negative 12. I like the 0 ones. 4 plus a negative 42. I've got to subtract, so negative 38. And 8 plus negative 30, again, I have to subtract, so negative 22.